In this video, I'll be showing you how to scan a two-sided piece of paper with your Canon Pixma G6040 printer. At the moment, I have it connected up to a Mac, which is my preferred mode of copying. Of course, you can do this as well on a mobile device or Windows PC computer, and we have many other videos on the profile if you'd like to check those out on how to do this with those components. However, it's a very similar process, so feel free to just watch this video and may give you a little insight into what to do and how to connect up. What you're going to need before you get started, of course, is your document, a two-sided paper ready to go. Your printer should be plugged in, connected, and switched on. If you are having trouble connecting your PC, your Apple OS system to the printer, feel free to check out our other video, which will give you a little help plugging in. It's quite an easy setup, but can be a little bit technical. So if you do need assistance with that, we have other videos that can give you a hand. And once you have all of these things ready, you can get started. So what we're going to start by doing, make sure our the printer is turned on and the screen is ready to go. Then once you have your document here ready, so I have side A, side B, just for you to know that both sides are printing, or scanning I should say. You're going to open up the scanning tray. Make sure there's nothing in the way. You want to make sure there's no debris or paper that could be stuck. And also on this side there's no dirt or anything that could get in the way, cause an issue with your scan. So what you're going to want to do, we'll start with side A. We want to scan first. So we'll face that down. Make sure also that the paper is pushed into the top left corner. You have a little arrow there to help you to know you've got to make sure it's pushed up against it. And then if you're printing A4, like this piece of paper, there's a little indentation there. Just focus it for you, which will tell you that A4 should end there. And also on the top corner here, there's another one, just to let you know that the paper's in the right position. If it is slightly in the wrong position, then you will be able to see here that it's not aligned with the indentation on the printer. So we'll just make sure that that is up into the left corner there, nice and safe. Once it is so, you can shut the lid, and now we can take our process over to your computer. Open it up. Now you'll want to go into settings. If you haven't connected already your printer to the PC, I'll show you exactly how to do that. So you go over to search, type in printer, and the printers and scanner should come up. Now at the moment my printer is connected here, but I'll just quickly disconnect it and show you exactly how to sync it up. So you should receive a page like this if it's the first time. You want to add printer, locate the printer of yours, which is the Canon G6040 series, add it to my laptop, and there you go, connect straight away. Then the next step would be to click on the printer itself. We'll bring out this little tab, and as we want to scan something today, so we're going to open scanner. It's going to open the image capture page. Now it's blank at the moment, but we want to scan, so it's going to scan it here. May take just a moment to load. As you can hear, the printer is now doing its job, doing everything it needs to. And there you go, it's printed already for us, the side A, as you can see there. Of course, you may need to orientate the image as you need to. And once you've got that, you should have the scan available as a JPEG for you to download. What we're going to do is just minimize that window now, and we're going to go back to the printer, open it up, and just, seems to be stuck, there we go. Just switch it over to side B. And once again, you want to make sure that it's up in that corner there, nice and secure, otherwise it may not quite print properly. Once it is so, you can close that lid again, come back to the laptop, and you're going to scan again. There you go, just like that. We've now got our side B And that is loaded up nicely. So we've now got both copies downloaded as a JPEG, and you can then of course forward on as you need to. And then once that is finished, you can go ahead and close this page, as you don't need this anymore. If you do need to do anything else, of course, on the printer, it's worth keeping this tab open, but it's not necessary, of course, for if you're just looking to scan. So you can press done and then close your settings page there. And that is exactly how to scan a two-sided piece of paper using your Canon Pixma printer. I hope this video has been useful for you. If it has, feel free to give us a thumbs up. So leave us a comment as well if you have any questions, queries or concerns, and we'll be quickly get back to you as soon as we can. My name is Pat. This is Printers with Pat. I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a good day.